Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. Happy Saturday. It is Saturday. What is today? The 24th of April. It is an absolutely gorgeous, beautiful day outside. Hopefully everybody is outside right now enjoying this beautiful weather and not listening to me. Or you're listening to me and deciding where you're going for dinner tonight. If you are looking for a place to go, our garden is absolutely gorgeous. Marcus and I spent about a good 4 hours outside this morning, cleaning it up more, straightening it up, moving things around. I'd actually love to show it to you. So maybe I'll walk outside while I am talking to you, and I'm going to show you the beautiful garden that Marcus and I worked on today. It is beautiful. So when you come into the restaurant, there's Michelle getting ready. So we just planted some basil. We planted some. I'll show you from here because for some reason it is going to knock me off. But the garden looks beautiful out there. Hopefully you can see it. Let's see if I go slowly, if maybe you can see the garden. We're gonna get ready to make a fire. We planted more plants. Looks beautiful out here. So we are super psyched. So just so you know, the garden is open tonight, so you can sit outside. You can sit inside or outside tonight. As the weather gets nicer, we will only be seating outside, but we'll make that determination each night. So, of course, the tables are 6 feet apart, and they are socially distanced, and it is really nice out there. So it's beautiful. We have a tent. We have more tables that can fit under the tent this year, so that is beautiful. In the meantime, as I'm walking back to the bar, here is our slushy machine. It is ready to go. It has a daiquiri in it, so I am going to pour the daiquiri in a few minutes, and I'm going to show you my new drink that will be on the menu, and then hopefully we will probably do a rosé next, what did we call it last year? It wasn't a slushy. Frosé. Sorry, a frozen rosé. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Hello Joel from Arizona. Hello Mom. Hello Jason. I see a few others on. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. And I'd love to see who is joining me. So I'm going to make 2 different daiquiris today. The first one I'm going to do is I'm going to make a strawberry daiquiri. So I've already muddled fresh strawberries, and I am going to make a coconut rum coconut daiquiri. So the daiquiri is made with rum. That is the typical daiquiri. But my fun thing, I made a plain. I'm going to actually walk over to the machine while holding you, see if I can do this. And I'm going to pour the daiquiri into the glasses. Daiquiris are rum, and I thought it would be kind of fun. This is a plain daiquiri, so it has no flavor. It's not like a strawberry daiquiri or a flavored daiquiri. And we are going to add the flavoring to it after. So we'll give you a couple of choices, and you can choose what you would like. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to do this, but let's see. Maybe Marcus can hold the camera for me. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. Maybe you can hold it while I pour. Can you get it? Awesome. So here is the daiquiri. It's a plain daiquiri. It's frozen. It's a frozen daiquiri.
Organic too.
Organic frozen daiquiri.
Certified organic.
So I'm going to pour in here, and we're going to give you a couple of different flavors that you can make. I think a hibiscus daiquiri would be good, or ginger daiquiri, or cassis daiquiri, strawberry, rum. So, all right, so let's see. I am back now. I'm going to hook you back up, and I'm going to show you. I have not done this before, but the daiquiri is really good. So let me just get my camera in there. All right, awesome. So I'm going to take the coconut rum. I'm going to chill it, just so we're putting a cold product, just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of coconut flavor. And I'm going to shake that up, get it nice and cold, and I'm going to pour it right into my daiquiri. So now you have a coconut rum daiquiri. Look at that, look at that. Beautiful. Let's taste it before it gets all watered down or gets melts. Sorry, couldn't think of the word. Marcus, you want to taste the coconut? That's delicious. And then I am going to take the strawberry, and I don't know. Patrick seems to think I should put the whole strawberry in here. Might be a little chunky, so I'm gonna try it without first. I'm gonna put some ice in here, and I'm gonna put the strawberry in here. I'm gonna shake it up, and I did have a request for a strawberry daiquiri, so people are looking for strawberry daiquiris. And I'm gonna pour. I don't know if that's gonna work. Kind of wish I had. Some strawberry liqueur.
We do, don't we?
No, I think we're out of the strawberry liqueur.
Oh, we are the sorbetta.
But
Long Island Distillery.
anyway, there is a strawberry daiquiri. Mix that on up. And let's see how it mixes. Maybe I'll add a little bit of chunk of strawberry to it.
Yeah, more strawberries.
Yeah, I think that'll look really nice.
Yeah.
There. Whoa. Little overflow. But there is a strawberry daiquiri, homemade strawberry daiquiri.
Organic strawberries.
Organic strawberries, organic slushy. That tastes really good.
Did you make the coconut one yet?
I'm gonna let Marcus taste it. There's the coconut. Thanks everybody for joining me. Hope everybody's having an awesome, beautiful day. It's gorgeous outside. I got out this morning, did 4 miles. Marcus ran this morning. We cleaned up our back garden.
Since 9 a.m.
Since 9 o'clock this morning.
We just got done.
And this is our little treat for planting plants and moving things around and just having a good old time out there. Enjoying. But tonight we are open. Our garden will be open. The fire pit will be going. We were busy last night, inside and outside. Don't forget, we have our $34.99 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go. We also, our weekly special is our Thai peanut chicken with broccoli and rice. That's for $9.99. We have a regular menu available as well. And hopefully we'll see everybody soon. Get out today. Get out and enjoy this beautiful weather because I know it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So stay tuned. We have a wine dinner on Monday, $25, 4 wines in a dish, and we will see everybody shortly. Cheers.